Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of making homemade plum brandy, a delightful drink that hails from the heart of Eastern Europe. Join me on this flavorful journey, and let's create a delicious brandy that you can share with family and friends.
First of all, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You will need 2 kilograms of ripe plums, preferably a bit overripe for maximum flavor, 1 kilogram of granulated sugar, 1 liter of high-proof alcohol, such as vodka or a neutral liquor. Optional, a cinnamon stick or a few cloves for additional flavor. You will also need a large glass jar with an airtight lid for fermentation, a strainer or cheesecloth, a funnel, and bottles to store your finished brandy. Now, let's prepare our plums. Start by washing them well under cold water to remove any dirt or residue. Then, cut the plums in half and remove the pits. You can reserve some pits for an extra hint of almond flavor later on. With your plums ready, place them in your large glass jar. If you want to enhance the flavor, add a cinnamon stick or a couple of cloves at this stage to infuse a warm spice touch into your brandy. Now it's time to sweeten our plums. Start by sprinkling half of the sugar over the plums. This will help to extract the natural juices. Gently mix with a spoon. Once that's done, add the remaining sugar on top and give it another gentle mix. This 2-layer process promotes an even extraction of flavors. Now comes the fun part. Pour your high-proof alcohol until the plums are completely submerged. This is crucial as it will aid in the fermentation process and develop rich flavors. Seal the jar tightly with the lid to create a closed environment. This is important for fermentation. Now, find a cool, dark place to store your jar for about 4 to 6 weeks. During this time, make sure to give it a gentle shake every few days to mix the ingredients and aid in the extraction process. After a month, it's time to reveal the fruits of our labor. Open the jar and enjoy the delightful aroma of your plum mixture. Then, place your strainer or cheesecloth over another clean container. Carefully pour the contents of the jar into the strainer. Allow the liquid to drain completely. Take your time with this step. You want to ensure that you capture all the exquisite essence of the plums. Once drained, you can discard the leftover fruit or use it to make a delicious plum dessert. Now it's time to bottle our plum brandy. Using a funnel, carefully pour your liquid into clean bottles. Seal them well and label them with the date. If you would like, you can add a bit of sugar syrup to your brandy to increase the sweetness. Just taste it and adjust it according to your preference. The moment we have all been waiting for. Let's pour ourselves a glass of this beautiful homemade plum brandy. Take a moment to appreciate the aroma and the rich golden color. This brandy is perfect for enjoying on its own or for mixing into cocktails. Share this unique drink with your friends and family and toast to the flavors of tradition. And there you have it, a homemade plum brandy that will be the star of any gathering. I hope you try this recipe and have as much fun making it as I did. What you have just witnessed is a mere glimpse into the wealth of knowledge and inspiration I've gathered from my global travels. From a young age, my journey across various countries with their unique cultures and perspectives has profoundly shaped my life, inspiring my happiness and personal growth. I invite you to explore my life experiences further through my collection of books available on Amazon. The first 2, Embarking on the Journey and Crossing Narrow Bridges, are part of my ongoing biography series, Odyssey of the Soul. Additionally, my 3rd book is a unique bilingual edition of Crossing Narrow Bridges, available in both English and Spanish, complete with audio versions, making it a perfect companion for language learners. The 3rd book is about spiritual growth. You can get any of these books through the links in the description below this video. If this content has sparked your interest, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for more stories and insights from my adventures. Don't forget to click like to support my mission of spreading joy and inspiration to all.